Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, guys. This is Benard choice. In today's video I'm going to show you how to one name on your Facebook account, and this works on new and old Facebook accounts, guys. Remember, this is the updated method of the previous video, and for you to have one name on your Facebook account, you need first to create an Instagram account with the same email or phone number that was used to create your Facebook account, and then you connect those together, and then you follow these steps I'm going to show you in today's video. So after doing so, you open your Play Store application. Near the search bar, this is where you type VPN LAT, as you can see, and then you search on it. As you can see, this is the app VPN LAT, unlimited and secure. I've already installed it in my device. Now let's open it. So when you launch the application, this is where you land. You tap on continue at the bottom. Now you guys need to scroll down and select Indonesia. Make sure you scroll down and select Indonesia, and then you tap on it. So when you reach here, guys, don't select the first server, select the second server. So make sure you select the second server, and then you tap on connect and wait it to connect. As you can see, guys, we have successfully been connected. Now minimize this app. Now go ahead and now open your Instagram application and log into your account. So guys, make sure you browse at least to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Then you minimize Instagram. Now open your Facebook app, original Facebook application. So when you're here on the home page, you tap on those 3 lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down, guys, to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now guys, you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Meter Account Center. Tap on Meter Account Center. You need to tap on Profile. As you can see, guys, I've connected both my 2 accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Now tap on Facebook. Now tap on name. Now make sure you delete the last name. Delete your last name and then add a space bar. And then tap on review change. And then tap on save changes. Now go back to your home page, and guys, remember, you'll only change your name after 60 days. Now tap on a profile icon and then you refresh your account. As you can see, we have successfully changed to one name on our Facebook account. So guys, this is how easy you can enable one name on your Facebook account. And guys, if you have any questions regarding this video, comment down in the comment section below. I'll be there to help you out. So that's it for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.